In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable user profiles in a Notion workspace. If you're looking to streamline your Notion experience and maintain a bit more control over the visibility of user information, this guide is perfect for you. Let's dive into the process to help you achieve just that. First things first, you'll need to open Notion. If you're not already signed in, make sure to use your Workspace owner account. This step is crucial because only Workspace owners have the necessary permissions to adjust these specific settings. Once you're in, you should see your usual Notion dashboard, where all your wonderful pages and databases reside. Now direct your attention to the left sidebar. Here you'll find an array of options that help you navigate through your workspace. Look for the one labeled Settings and give it a click. This action will open a menu filled with various settings that you can customize to your liking. You'll want to zero in on General within this section, so select that option. With the general settings laid out before you, scroll down patiently until you reach the section labeled People. This part of the settings holds all the information related to how people in your workspace are managed. It's where you can control various aspects of how user information is displayed and interacted with inside your Notion workspace. In the People section, you'll notice a few subsections like Profiles and Hover Cards. These options give you control over visibility and interaction with user data within the workspace. Our primary focus will be on the Profiles option. Now, let's locate the Profiles toggle, which is what you'll use to turn off profiles for all members of your workspace. With a simple switch, this feature will be disabled, thus hiding user profiles and streamlining the user view within your workspace. This effectively limits the amount of personal user information visible to others, offering a more focused workspace environment. It's worth noting that disabling user profiles can help create a more streamlined and less cluttered user experience, particularly in environments where user identity is less critical. However, it's important to ensure that any team members who rely on user profiles for more personalized interactions are aware of this change, as it may alter how they navigate and collaborate within Notion. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to disabling user profiles in a Notion workspace. Whether you're looking to add a layer of privacy or simply prefer a minimalistic look, this method offers a straightforward solution. As always, remember that any significant changes to your workspace settings should be communicated effectively with your team to ensure everyone is on the same page. Thanks for joining me today, and happy organizing in your Notion workspace.